You may well be here now because you have a bottle of Absolut Citron and wonder what to do with it. Well, that's what I'm going to cover today. I'm Rico. This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. As bartender and bar owner Toby Cecchini said, when we saw Absolut Citron, we just thought somehow the rules had changed. It opened up a new mindset for bartenders. He's the guy most accredited with creating the Cosmopolitan, and it's only been around since like the 80s, so the Cosmopolitan. This drink really rose to fame with the launch of Absolut Citron in the late 80s. Let's show you how to do the Cosmopolitan.
Yeah, you know, it's funny, Rico, when you say like do the Cosmopolitan, it sounds like a 60s dance craze.
What do you mean?
You know, like, do the twist, do the Watusi, do the locomotion.
Like the mashed potato?
Yeah, like the mashed potato. You know what? Let's do it.
Let's do what?
That's right, everybody over the legal drinking age, wherever you may be, it's Cosmopolitan time!
This is a very, very simple sour recipe. So it's gonna go with a 2-1-1 ratio. Always start with your cheapest ingredients first, guys. So we wanna go with some fresh lime juice, 1 whole shot, 25 ml. Next, we're gonna take our triple sec, orange liqueur, 25 ml straight in. That's your 1 and your 1. Now with this, we only want some. Now with the Cosmo, some.
Some.
Remember some.
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 The cranberry juice is only going in here, only for color. You want to get like a nice pink blush.
Okay, because that's not how a lot of, there's places that do it, that it leans on the cranberry.
Yeah, if you can put a shitload of cranberry in here and just charge it for the same amount of price, but you can just lower the amount of alcohol. But the Cosmo, it should be quite a strong drink, because as you see now, we're gonna put in the magic number, 45. It just makes drinks taste much better. Okay, so we're gonna throw some ice in. Get my big dirty hands in there. And we're gonna give this a good shake. Now when you shake Cosmos and drinks like this, you wanna get as much ice in there, and shake them as hard as possible to get them as cold as possible.
I was curious there for a second, actually.
It's very early in the morning, and I'm very ill.
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Rico.
What?
Never mind.
There we go. All that excess ice in there. We want to make sure that doesn't end up in the drink. We're going to do the original garnish that Toby garnished this drink with. But I believe it was Dale DeGroff, who was the guy that was flaming the orange. But originally, we want just a nice little lemon coin. See what I did there? This is a bad lemon, guys. It's too much. Okay. You want a nice little coin with just a little amount of fruit on, and then just zest that in. The original Cosmopolitan, all the way from Tribeca, 1980s. Ah, it's better than anything Carrie ever drank, that's for sure.
All right. Now, when Toby came up with it, was it a hit like right away?
Well, what Toby actually says is that it was a drink that was made just for his staff, just for the waitresses. But then it became something that was more of a monster. He actually says he felt like he was chained to a machine, making like 600 of these a night. And I actually think it was Toby making that in the downtown area, and then Dale DeGroff taking it uptown. All just blew this drink up, like to a crazy amount. People have forgotten what it should look like. This is the Cosmopolitan.
That is the Cosmopolitan. Now, before you do the next drink, could you tell us a little bit about Absolut Citron?
Absolut Citron is our second flavor to be released in 1988, and it's a flavor blast of citrus flavors right to the face.
Did that say that in an advertising thing, or did you just make that up now?
Do you like that?
I do like that.
I used to be a rapper.
Really?
Nah.
What was the first flavored Absolut vodka?
That was actually Absolut Papa in 1986.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
And that was pretty much launched due to the craze of the Bloody Mary.
So hey, can you do us another drink with Absolut Citron then?
All right, should we get into a little classic? It's another sour, and it's called the Absolut Lemon Drop Martini.
Hey, Rico, sorry. In the episode guide for today, under Unexpected Twists, it says, Rico unwillingly eating a lemon like an apple.
It's not happening.
Well, it says unwillingly, so, yeah. But eat a lemon like an apple.
Can I peel it?
All right. Well, there you go. I mean, you're doing exactly what they say.
Been on the floor.
Eat the other side.
3-second rule as well.
It's citrus-alicious. Is it good?
Mo? Oh.
Is it lemon?
That's sour.
Yeah?
Can I make the drink now?
Yeah, you can make the drink now. Do you want to pause for a sec?
I'm a professional, India.
Yep.
I'm a professional.
That's why you're here. On YouTube.
Cheapest ingredients first, 30 ml. Fresh lemon juice. Next up, we're gonna go 10 ml, triple sec. This is orange liqueur. I'm going real fast because I'm trying to keep my mouth moving because it's still full of lemons. Next, we're gonna take our simple syrup. We just need 10.
Okay, 1-to-1 there, right.
1-to-1 simple syrup. I'm still buzzing off the amount of lemon I've just eaten. I'm getting my lines mixed up, but it's YouTube, let's go for it. 45 ml, the magic number of Absolut Citron. We're gonna ice this up. We're gonna give this a little shake. Give that a real good hard shake. You want to make sure that's super cold, super crisp. Take your Hawthorne, your fine strainer. Got it right this time. Fine strain all that in there. We're putting that into a nice, big, broad, perfect martini glass. We need to zest that up. We're gonna garnish that with a nice lemon zest. Get it the right way first, though. We want to make sure we get all those oils on there. And there we go. Lemon Drop Martini. Super light, super fresh, pure, true citrus flavors.
Is it less lemony or more lemony than your mouth tasted before?
Balanced lemons.
Okay, you see, I knew this was a long-term play, that I was gonna balance the taste out eventually. You might not thank me, but you'd understand.
Bullshit. Okay, and now I'm gonna make my third and final drink.
Yeah, you know, it's funny, Rico. You know what?
Don't say anything, Indy. The Aligatorade. We're gonna take our tin, we're gonna build our drink up in here. We've got our jigger, start with our cheapest ingredients. We're gonna stick 20 mils of lime juice in.
Hey, Rico, I know you've mentioned it before, but could you say it again to everybody out there why you want to start with your cheapest ingredients first?
Great idea, Indy. You want to start with your cheapest ingredients first, just in case you make any mishaps. Then you're just throwing away your cheapest ingredients, and you're not throwing away the good stuff, the booze. Is that all?
That's all.
Anything else?
Nope.
Gonna continue to interrupt me?
Possibly, actually, but
Okay.
I'll try a little.
Next up, we're gonna go for 90, just because it's pretty big glasses of... I've just realized I missed a step of this whole drink.
And that is a perfect illustration of why we use our cheapest ingredients first. So shall we start again?
We don't have to start again, Indy,
Okay.
because it's actually one step. I'm gonna take our completed drink, almost completed drink, I'm gonna put it
Over there.
into our large tin. I'm gonna put that to one side. We needed to muddle some pineapple in here first.
Okay.
We're just gonna take a nice little ring of pineapple. Don't throw this away. Throw this into either the compost, or you can make cordials, syrups out of this at a later date. We're gonna throw it into our compost bin. Same with the skin. Still got lots of flavor, lots of fruit on that. You can still extract that again by making syrups, cordials. Just don't get it on a landfill. We wanna keep the flesh. And that core is going directly in the same place as the skin and the bottom of the pineapple. We're gonna chop up the flesh. Don't worry about it too much. We're gonna get it back into our tin. We're gonna take our little muddler. Then we can pour the rest of the drink in. So we've got the pineapple in there now. We've got the lime juice. We've got 90 mils of coconut water, Just gotta add in our last and final ingredient, the Absolut Citron. We want 45 ml. We're gonna give this one little extra je ne sais quoi. Angostura bitters, 3 good dashes, ice. Gonna give this a nice good hard shake now. That was a tough one, that's quite a heavy tin. Got a nice tumbler glass or a rocks glass, something that feels good to hold in the hand. Gonna take our hawthorn, gonna take our fine strainer. We've got lots of fresh pineapple fibers in here. We don't want those in our drink. They get stuck in the gap of my teeth.
Looks good. And I have never seen this before. Where did this come from?
This is actually a drink of my own creation.
Uh-huh.
I sounded really condescending when I said that, didn't I? This is just one that I made for the UK market a few years ago. It's just a super fresh pineapple coconut concoction. The Aligatorade. Oh wow, that's real good actually. Just the freshness and clarity really, there's no best way to describe it. Fresh, zestiness, the pineapple's super tart, the lime sits well with it, and it's just smooth, velvet texture. Another poached pounder, guys. And there you have it, Absolut Citron. That's it for today. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to click and subscribe. If you want to see how to make some great drinks with Absolut Original, just click here in a few seconds. And now, Indy said something about entertaining you, so here's Indy.
Okay, this is a little song I wrote about people's lives in the city and stuff, you know, hard living. Okay. There's several young people living in a city and they like to drink. Maybe cosmopolitans, and sometimes they, like everyone on earth, have fun. There are 4 young people living in the city and they like to drink. Maybe cosmopolitans, and sometimes they, like everyone on earth, have sex. That's what I said, they have sex.